Galilee Missionary Baptist Church proudly invites you to come celebrate with us as we install our new pastor, Reverend Craig B. Collier Sr. Your presence will make this event a memorable experience for Pastor Collier, Sister Collier, and the entire Galilee Church family. The installation celebration begins Wednesday, February 15th at 7 p.m. Dr. Philip Pointer, pastor of the St. Mark Baptist Church in Little Rock, Arkansas, will deliver the preached word. Then on Thursday, February 16th at 7 p.m., Reverend Reginald G. Reed Sr., pastor of the Pleasant Hill Baptist Church in Shreveport, Louisiana, will be our guest preacher. We will culminate the celebration on Sunday, February 19th, during our 10:15 morning worship, where the preacher of the hour will be none other than Dr. Q. E. Hammonds, pastor of the Antioch Missionary Baptist Church, Birmingham, Alabama. We close out this great celebration at 5 p.m. Sunday afternoon with Dr. Robert Jenkins, pastor of the Morning Star Missionary Baptist Church in North Little Rock, Arkansas, who will bring the Word of God. We look forward to you joining us as we lift up the name of the Lord and give Him the glory for the things He has done.